Alright, I'm back. I did a remodel, or I raised arms up a little higher. This is the original one, so I think I raised them up by like at least a ½ inch. So it's kind of clears the canopy. Yeah, so it clears the canopy pretty good. So it's about level. The guns on the top is level. And I did the details here. I added a little small kind of rivet type stuff. Add a little center part here. I think I did the bottom part, but I'm going to do the same thing I did here with the pin. Also here, I'm going to take this one out and just pin it that way. Hopefully that might be better to put it together. Also, I redid this piece. I guess I got to print it out. I don't want to waste any resin yet. I did sand the canopy there. I started off with 220, then with 400, then 800, 1000, and 1500. Then I cleared it with a acrylic elm 2 times. It's a spray paint. I think it's not crayon. It's crap. I'll show you the video of it later on it. But yeah, I did all that, so I mean it's kind of clear. But I'm gonna wait to tomorrow to wet sand again, because I got little drips on it. I got a little crazy with spray paint. Sprayed a little too much, but you kind of need to spray on it thick. But way I had to stand up and everything, it was dripping over the place. So then over here too, I did a test on these on the guns and everything, and the missiles. The missile's still a little tight, but I fit in there for now. The gun here is pretty good, pretty tight. I did the gun on top of here for the recon, but I still gotta pre-print this, because I did raise up the inside, because the gun is not letting it sit right. So I did raise up the inside, but I still haven't printed it out yet. And let's see here, I gotta print these out again. I add more details to them, and I put some rivets around it, add a little more details. I had some lines in it also to give it more detail. The arms, I don't know, I might change them up. I might add like hydraulic pistons, whatnot in there. Like, I know the toy didn't make any sense to me, but here we are. What else? Oh yeah, I had the guns. I did the guns. Yeah, I might do it differently. I just did it kind of like the cartoon version or the toy version. I need to put try to do a peg system where I could do have a blast, like some kind of blast coming out of there. Kind of cool. Or use one of the Hasbro's blast stains, or like the blast effects. But I don't have any of those to try to test out to measure the pegs. Unless I got, I don't know, I might see scrap iron if I have it. Yeah, so that's about all the updates I did on this right now. Print out the rest of the missiles and the gun to finish this off. Oh yeah, I added a seat into this also. This is a basic kind of block seat. Kind of fits in there. I'm going to glue it in there. I will want to do a control panel into the Recon here. Maybe like a little steering system, a little dash, And unless I just happen to make a separate battery system here, I have those lights up too. But I haven't got that far. And let's see here. I'm working on the headlights for this thing. Model up a lens, and I'm redoing this inside here, so I got channels. So you actually put the battery inside the engine, take the cover off, and then take the engine off. There's a battery that should be in there, and I've run holes through the firewall or the back wall through here, so you can run it under. Let's see here, the interior. So the interior will hide all the wiring. And you put the interior on top of that, and we covered all the wiring. You can put LED lights in there and whatnot. You can do the micro lights. So, yeah, I'm just designing as I go and print as I go also. I broke one of the control arms off of that, so I have to figure out, make these a little thicker so it won't break, or actually just do metal rods in there, maybe. Just drill a hole and just put glue in metal rods. Maybe that will be better. But that's it for now. Hopefully I'll print the interior later on. Right now I was trying to get the weapons, and which is getting close. So I think the next thing we'll print out will be the interiors. Get that going. So on to the next step.